I'm so excited to monogram on this Santa Claus. It's a squishy pillow. I love that we can monogram on something like this, where if it didn't have a zipper, it would be almost impossible to do it. So when you have something this cute that we can actually monogram on, I'm so excited. Whether you have a home machine or you have a commercial machine, you can monogram. So literally you just take the back and you unzip and pop out the belly, pop out Santa's belly, and you can pop out Santa's head. So just like that, it lays flat so that you can get it easily hooped and get it on the machine. So let's put something cute on here. This fabric is stretchy. So what I did was I used some cutaway stabilizer. I used a 3-ounce cutaway stabilizer. I'm also using a very small needle. I'm using a 65-9 ballpoint needle on this stretchy type fabric. But as long as you use some stabilizer, some cutaway stabilizer, it doesn't even matter that it's stretchy. It's gonna come out amazing. So let's get this guy on the machine. I love seeing Santa upside down on the machine. It just completely cracks me up. So I flipped my design upside down and I traced it out, and so here we go. Santa is finished. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take this hoop off. Now I did use a water soluble. However, I don't know if it was really necessary because the pile is not that high where we're monogramming. So it may not have been necessary, but it was my first time monogramming on this stretchy type fabric. So what you do is you just rip off the extra water soluble, and then you just take a spray bottle of water, spritz it, and then you lay your water soluble flat right there kind of quickly. And then when you rip that up, it rips up all of the extra water soluble. So, oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, let's talk about money. So, oh wait, let me cut this backing off. So this right now is on sale. So it's retailing for approximately $20, which is insane to me because I feel like it should be more like $40. But it is retailing for approximately $20. Now what you want to do is you want to add $15 for the monogram. And so now your price would be $35 for the customer. So whenever you're selling a product, what you want to do is whatever your wholesale price is, you want to double that price and consider what else you need for shipping fees and credit card fees. I forgot to put the head in. So anyway, when you're making your price, double what you paid, and make sure you look at all of your extra fees, that type of thing, and then add $15 for your monogram. And the key to selling a product like this is make sure that you make a sample. Order a dozen, and one of them is going to be a sample. Maybe someone you know, or sell at half price or something like that. But making a sample makes all the difference in the world because we see it all the time and we can picture all the cute things that can be monogrammed on it. But when you make a sample, then the customer can visualize it, and that makes all the difference in the world. So order your dozen, make your sample, and these will go flying. These are so adorable. I'm just in love with Santa.